Using a dry powder inhaler, DPI, Ellipta. Let's review the key parts of your Ellipta. Dose counter, cover, mouthpiece, air vent. How to take your Ellipta inhaler. It's best to start sitting up or standing. Keep the cover closed until you are ready. Opening and closing the inhaler without using it will waste the dose. When you are ready, hold the inhaler with both hands, like a hamburger. The dose counter should face up. Use your thumb to slide the cover open until you hear a click. Your inhaler is now ready. Do not cover the air vent while holding the inhaler. Turn your head to the side and breathe all the air out of your lungs. Do not breathe out into the mouthpiece. You will lose some of the medication. As soon as you breathe out, close your lips around the mouthpiece. Take a deep breath in through your mouth. After the deep breath in, you can remove the inhaler. Hold your breath up to 5 seconds. Breathe out slowly through your nose. Slide the cover closed after each use. Now let's put it all together. Hold the inhaler with both hands, like a hamburger. Open the cover to prepare the dose. Breathe out, away from the mouthpiece. Close your lips around the mouthpiece. Deep breath in. Hold your breath. Breathe out slowly through your nose. Close the cover. When using your controller inhaler, rinse and spit or brush your teeth after each use to prevent infection. Use the dose counter to keep track of the medicine. Be sure to contact the pharmacy for a refill when your counter starts to get low.